Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah.
What's the deal, bro? Oh, you don't fuck. What are you doing?
Put the car off.
Turn it off. Shut the car off, man. What's your name, bud? Hey. What's your name? Don't even think about touching me. What's your deal, bro?
What's going on? What's your name? Justin?
Yes, sir.
What's going on, Justin? Can you explain what's going on?
You upset?
No, sir.
So then what's the problem? Why are we getting called here? Huh?
You on any medication?
No, sir.
No. We'll take medication?
No, sir.
No.
So what's going on with you then?
Great. So, look by the car, bro.
Here we go.
Come on. Let's make this the easy way, man. We're gonna walk that way. Alright?
Walk over here.
Walk on over to the other side.
Great. What's going on?
Hey.
What's going on? Try the exercise for us? No? Alright.
Alright, man.
Alright. Can I stand up?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Perfect. Easy now.
This won't be the car. We'll have to figure it out from here, so.
We're gonna walk this way. Keep on straight.
Okay. Yeah, for the time being, they have to go around it, so.
I only fucking got you guys want if okay.
We're just trying to figure things out, man.
Okay,
No, sir. No, sir.
just pat him down, put him in the car,
Alright.
do the like and sign, do all that shit.
No, sir.
Stand straight.
Yes,
Against
sir.
the car?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Love you guys.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. So, what have I done wrong?
Sir, we are trying to figure out what is going on with you, man.
And
I think we both know what's going on with
yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
But
Don't ask me anything.
have a seat.
You're
No,
on the seat
no,
right
no,
now.
no,
You're
no.
gonna have a seat right
Right
now.
now you're being
You're gonna
detained.
have a seat right now.
Have a seat, bro. Keep your legs in there.
So, I understand.
Okay, you understand?
Yes,
You're
sir.
in the
Yes,
car?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
For your
cool.
safety, you're gonna wait in the back of
Hey,
that car right
hey.
now with handcuffs on. So
Easy, easy.
Scoot back, son.
keep
Yes,
it
sir.
quiet.
Yes, sir.
Use your
Yes,
legs
sir.
to push your back.
Ah, shit. Can I please have understand? Hey, sir.
Justin, hold on real quick.
Yes, sir.
Will you listen to me for a second?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alrighty.
Can I
listening?
please?
Hey, you're not listening.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent.
Yes, sir.
Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the
Yes,
right
sir.
to talk to the lawyer and have
Yes,
him present with
yes,
you
sir.
while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of the rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, having these rights in mind, you
Could I
wish to speak
please
with me?
stand?
Hey, having these rights in mind, you wish to talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I don't understand my rights.
What do you
Can I
mean
please
you don't-
stand?
No, you can't stand.
Can I please stand?
Not right now. No. You can barely stand as it is, Justin.
Yes, sir. But
So do you...
now, can I please stand?
Huh? You said you didn't understand your rights. Do you want me to read them to you
No,
again?
I do not understand my rights.
So do you don't or you do?
Can I please understand? Dude, I'm so sorry. Can I please stand?
No, not right now. Because you can barely stand, Justin. That's the one of the main reasons you're in the back of my car.
Understood.
Okay? Did you understand? You want me to read your rights again?
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. Okay, you have the right to remain silent.
Yes,
Anything
sir.
you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. You can't afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
Can I please
Do you understand?
stand? Yes, sir.
Do you understand the rights I explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can I please stand?
Having these rights in mind, you wish to speak.
It's so understood, but can I please
Okay.
stand? Please, can I stand?
Not right now. No.
Understood.
What do you need
Sir,
to stand for?
Sir.
What do you need to stand for?
Huh? Can I please stand?
No, you can't stand right now. Do you know where you are?
No, sir.
Okay. So, where do you think you are?
No. I understand.
Okay. I'm glad you understand. But what I'm trying to figure out is, do you know where you are?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you
Can
have...
Can I please stand and then we'll talk?
It doesn't work like that, man. It doesn't work like that.
Can I please stand?
Not right now. Okay? We're having a conversation.
Okay.
You're relaxed. You're sitting down. You're perfectly fine.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. I'm glad you
Can
understand
I please
that.
stand up?
No, I don't know how many times I got to tell you that.
It's so weird.
What's weird?
No. My
That you're in the back of my car?
Yes, sir.
Think about it. You don't know where you are right now.
Understood.
You don't even have a clue. Where do you think you are?
Sir, can I please stand up and give you a hug?
No, you can't. You can't. Okay? You are in handcuffs right now.
This is so weird.
This is weird because you don't know where you are. And you were driving.
No, sir.
Yes, you were.
Yeah.
Where were you driving to?
Can I please stand up?
Not right now.
Can I please stand up and give you?
Alright.
It's so weird.
Sit on down.
Yeah, I get it. Okay, all right. Love you, buddy.
Okay. Get your knee in. We're gonna have a conversation.
You have no under. Hey.
Close your door.
Hey.
Close the door.
Hey, so DeMarco's gonna email you the
He got out of his cuff.
got out?
Yeah.
Oh, the officer.
What's the deal, bro? Oh, you little fuck. Fucking boy, don't. Here, I got him.
Hold on. Hey.
Here, I got him.
Hold on. Watch out. Back up. Go.
Get your feet in there. Get your feet in.
Traffic for Star 32, reference distress Kia at South Trinity Elementary.
Star 33, Kuro 10-3, 10-4.
I'll be clear 10-3, 10-3, clear to 16, 33 hours.
What's this guy's problem? Roll your windows up. Usually I don't like to scream the car, but he's out of his cuffs and all that. Hey, you gonna relax now? Huh? Put your hands behind your back. We'll rinse your face off. Justin, put your hands behind your back. We don't want to have to spray you again. You listening? Put your hands behind your back and turn around. Hey, turn around and... That's going to be strong on yourself. Put your hands behind your back.
Justin, hands behind your back.
Behind your back. Turn this way. Don't pull them up. Turn this way. Put the other hand behind your back. Come on, we're going to rinse you off so you can feel better.
Behind your back.
Step out. We're going to help you out so you can feel better.
Roll over to you. Summit.
Hang on.
6027 of 11th Avenue.
Come in there. Let's set them up. We're going to get you some water, man. As soon as we cuff you.
There, I got it.
Subject to be a Charles, white male wearing a orange shirt and black jeans.
Alright.
Side. There you go.
Yeah. Let's just get him up.
Hey.
Lean up against it.
Hey.
There you go.
I don't have a...
Do not kick. If you kick, you're going to get sprayed again. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Yeah, I got more.
That's good, bro.
Hey. Give us lead. Sit up. Fuck. Men.
You want some more?
Men. Come on. Men. Yes.
Better?
Yes, sir. Men.
You want a little more?
Men. Men.
That's all I got, my man.
Men, come on.
That's it, we're out.
A little more. Here you go. I gave you my bottle of water.
Come on.
There you go.
Fuck.
Just bring one, man. Where's the other switch?
Hey.
ABO showed his car.
Hey.
That's his car right there.
He was moving the other car.
Hep.
So listen, Justin, now you're going to be charged with battery
No,
on law
come on.
enforcement officer.
What?
Hey. You understand? That's because you decided
yes, sir.
to punch and kick me for no reason.
Understood?
Okay, good.
Hiya.
Alright, do we have somebody to do the... He's probably not going to be a breathalyzer type, but... You
Did
know,
we even ask him if he wanted to? Yeah, I did. He said he would.
that was before.
Hiya.
He didn't want to do SFTs, but...
Yes, sir.
DeMarco.
After the man slipped out of his cuffs, the officers had to subdue him and use a spit hood, the device seen on his head, to block him from spitting on them.
Justin.
Sure.
Put your face next to that grill so you can get some cool air. You want to do that? Huh? You'll feel better. Look, right in the middle. Sit in the middle and you'll get more air. You don't want to do that?
Yes, sir.
You feeling okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's walk down.